So plan group notes become a helpful tool in our presentations. And as a refresher, if I click on current to open current, we have two different places we can enter notes. We see a notes here and a notes here. All right, well, these notes are part of a plan design. They're going to be specific just for our 2000 base plan. And just to give you an idea, we're going to just click on our notes button, and here where you see plan design notes is where we can put in information specific to that plan design. So sometimes this is where we'll put in what the HSA funding is. In this case, we want to illustrate that there's a tier 5 on the RX card. But the key is that these notes will enter are specific to that plan design. Now the notes button up here, since it's not in a plan design, is our clue that it's plan group notes. All right, and I'm going to click on our plan group notes. So the plan group notes is where we get a few sentences to describe what we're illustrating in that plan group. And we recommend that you get in the habit of all of your plan groups having notes. They're very helpful internally so that when there's that handoff, the person that's going to go out and present that to the employer, those plan group notes help describe, what's in each one of those proposed groups. And we're also going to see how those plan group notes turn into a tool to really set up our presentation and be able to incorporate into some material to help us use this as an agenda for our meeting. All right, so 2,000 base plan, 1,000 buy-up, employer contributing 70% for both plans, right? So a description of what we've got in current. All right, so renewal has plan group notes in. This would have normally been put in by the account manager. She was the one who built current and renewal in that first proposed group. Again, same plans with same premium share as current. When we go into our renewal at budget, we've got the same plans with premium share adjusted so each plan meets budget. So again, we're describing what's in each group. All right, now I created the renewal alternate premium share. So what I want to do is I want to enter in notes for that. All right, so the notes here are from the renewal that we copied. So I want to put in here for notes, same plans with premium share adjusted to a separate percentage, and it's nice that the notes do have spell checker in them, separate percentage for employee and dependent. All right, so again, I'm just trying to describe what we're doing in that particular plan group. We get to our alternate HSA base plan. Our plan group notes, alternate 4,000 HSA base plan with same 1,000 buy-up. All right, now I'm going to come in and add premium share adjusted to meet budget, because that's what we did in this plan group. Since we had the budget assumption, is we set up the premium share so that these plan designs would meet the budget. So I'm including that in my plan group notes. And there's no right or wrong plan group notes. It's specific to that conversation we want to have. All right, so now we've got our plan group notes entered. I'm going to just enter the plan group notes for our last group we created. All right, we've got our notes that copied over. I'm going to just add to this employer funding of HSA. All right, because that's what's going on in this plan group, is we've incorporated that new idea of the employer putting funding towards the HSA. All right, so now I've got all the groups I need. I've got all my notes entered in. Now it's time to arrange these into the order that I'm going to want to present